Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken enchiladas in the oven. First, gather all your ingredients, including cooked chicken, tortillas, and your favorite enchilada sauce. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your enchiladas cook evenly and thoroughly. Next, prepare your chicken by shredding or dicing it into small, uniform pieces, making it easier to fill the tortillas. This initial setup is key for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's assemble these delicious enchiladas. Lightly dip each tortilla in warm enchilada sauce. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Place a generous amount of your prepared chicken down the center of each tortilla, adding a sprinkle of cheese if desired. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly, then arrange them seam side down in a baking dish. Repeat this process until your dish is full, creating a neat row of enchiladas. Once all your enchiladas are neatly arranged, it's time for the final touches before baking. Pour the remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the top, ensuring every enchilada is well coated. Then, generously sprinkle shredded cheese over the entire dish. Bake in your preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and slightly golden brown. Let them rest for a few minutes before serving. For extra flavor, try adding black beans or corn to your chicken filling before rolling. Garnish your finished enchiladas with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or sliced avocado for a vibrant touch. These simple additions elevate the dish. Make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade chicken enchiladas, a perfect meal for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.